Hello everyone. Today we're going on an incredible journey through the future space missions that will shape our destiny. We'll explore the ambitious plans of NASA, ESA, and private companies like SpaceX to conquer new horizons in space. Hello friends. Today I'm here to share with you a fascinating journey to the Red Planet. Our first stop will be exploring Mars, Earth's closest neighbor, and one of the most ambitious destinations for space exploration. Picture it with me, a barren, dusty world, covered in massive sandstorms and extinct volcanoes. A place that defies our understanding and invites us to unravel its deepest mysteries. NASA, ESA, and other space agencies have been working tirelessly to send robotic missions and orbiters to Mars over the past decades. But now it is time for us to take the next step. The Artemis project promises to take humanity beyond low Earth orbit and directly to the Martian soil. With innovative technologies such as reusable rockets and advanced life support systems, we are preparing for an expedition that will forever change the history of human space exploration. Soon astronauts will be walking on the surface of Mars, collecting samples of Martian soil and searching for signs of past or present life. This is just the beginning of a new era in which humanity's eyes will be fixed on the red horizon of the planet Mars. On our thrilling journey through the cosmos, we've delved deep into the solar system in search of answers that have long been hidden. Amid the vastness of space, two icy moons stand out: Europa and Titan. Discovering them is like unraveling a cosmic mystery, an adventure that takes us beyond the limits of our imagination. As I hover over Europa's frozen surface, I sense the antiquity that surrounds every crater and fault line, traces of an ancient past that just waits to be revealed. It's here that scientists will unlock the secrets hidden beneath the icy crust, searching for signs of life in subterranean oceans that flow beneath the glacial surface. And when the robotic explorer first touches down on Titan, Saturn's largest moon, we'll witness an epic landscape of methane seas and orange skies reflected in crystal-clear lakes. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the origins of life in the solar system and inspires us to continue exploring new interplanetary frontiers. We will take off for the moon, a place so close and yet so mysterious. As the spacecraft approaches, I can see its cratered and almost magical surface, illuminated by the reflected light of Earth. We are preparing to establish new lunar bases, a crucial step in advancing our journey beyond our home planet. As we walk across the lunar surface, the reduced gravity gives us a feeling of lightness and freedom unlike anything we have ever experienced before. We will shelter in inflatable habitats, protected from solar radiation and the extreme temperatures of space. Our footsteps will echo in the lunar dust, marking the beginning of a new era in the exploration of our natural satellite. It is on this arid and poetic soil that humanity will dare to chart its interplanetary destiny. With every lunar rock we touch, with every scientific experiment we conduct, we will be preparing to fly further toward the stars we have always observed from afar. We are living in an era of unprecedented technological advancements, pushing our boundaries beyond known limits. Artificial intelligence has become our ally in space exploration, enabling probes and robots to make complex decisions in hostile and distant environments. Thanks to artificial intelligence, we are able to process huge volumes of data collected by space telescopes and interplanetary missions, revealing long-hidden cosmic secrets. Intelligent algorithms help us plan more efficient routes for our spacecraft, optimizing resources and maximizing scientific discoveries. And let's not forget advanced propulsion, the force that propels our ships beyond Earth's gravity and takes us to the stars. New plasma-powered engines and nuclear propellant technologies are shaping the future of space propulsion, making interplanetary travel faster and more accessible than ever before in human history. Imagine the endless possibilities when we combine science, innovation, and determination to explore the far reaches of the universe. I see myself facing a vast and unexplored horizon, where the limits of knowledge blur with the distant stars. The next decade promises to be a landmark in human history, as we launch ourselves toward the far reaches of the cosmos. Each planned space mission, each probe sent, and each astronaut trained represents a bold step into the unknown. The riddles of the universe are inscribed in the constellations above me, crying out for unraveling. And it is with the spark of curiosity burning within me that I prepare to witness the incredible discoveries that lie ahead. Our eyes turn to the night sky, asking us about our origin and our ultimate destiny in this vast cosmos. This is the moment when humanity becomes the explorer of a realm without boundaries, where the laws of physics bow before our determination. May each rocket launch be a reminder of the human potential to reach the highest peaks of imagination and achievement. Together, we are heading toward new cosmic horizons as we fuel the eternal fire of discovery and innovation. May every journey into outer space inspire us to look within ourselves and challenge ourselves to reach for the stars. I am truly fascinated by the current era of space exploration, where traditional space agencies like NASA and ESA are being complemented by innovative private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and others. These companies are not just entering space to compete, but to collaborate and reinvigorate our quest for cosmic knowledge. The visionary vision of figures like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos is paving the way for a new era of interplanetary exploration, with a focus on making Mars a realistic destination for humanity. SpaceX, for example, with its ambitious Starship program, is developing revolutionary technologies that could drastically reduce launch costs and make space travel more accessible for everyone. We are witnessing an exciting renaissance in the space race, where innovation and healthy competition are driving progress like never before. The future of space does not lie solely in the hands of government agencies. It also belongs to the boldness and creativity of the brilliant minds behind the private companies that are now part of this journey to the stars. Faced with the monumental challenges we face, I look up at the starry sky, bathed in the light of billions of distant suns. Amidst the grandeur of the universe, I realize the fragility of our existence and the immensity of the frontiers we still need to overcome. Each space mission takes us one step further, towards the unknown, challenging our physical and mental limits. The solitude of space echoes in my thoughts as I witness the indescribable beauty of distant galaxies. But it is precisely in cosmic solitude that I find camaraderie with my fellow astronauts, sharing a greater purpose, the yearning for discovery and the advancement of humanity. Even in the face of the uncertainties and dangers that permeate each space voyage, I trust in determination, human ingenuity, and the resilience forged in each challenge overcome. We are all together on this cosmic journey, united by the intrinsic desire to explore new horizons and unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. May our courage inspire future generations to soar even higher, towards the stars that dot the infinite universe. Every step taken into space is a giant leap for all of humanity. Amidst the black and infinite vastness, I cannot help but marvel at the dizzying immensity of the distant galaxies. Each star shines like a beacon of light in the cosmic darkness, pointing to the unknown that awaits us. The constellations seem to dance to the rhythm of the cosmos, a silent symphony that echoes in my exploring soul. I look out the window of the spaceship and see the Earth down below, a small blue dot surrounded by a dark and silent immensity. In this moment of contemplation, I realize how fragile and precious our home in the universe is. Every research conducted, every experiment conducted, brings us a little closer to the vast mystery that surrounds us. We are travelers in space-time, unraveling the enigmas of the cosmos with unwavering courage and curiosity. Every discovery, no matter how small, represents a milestone in humanity's long journey towards the stars. May each scientific and technological advance lead us not only to knowledge, but also to a deeper understanding of who we are and our place in the universe. The stars twinkle in the black sky like brilliant diamonds, calling out to us. As I gaze upon the vastness of the universe, my heart races in anticipation of the great things that lie ahead. The next decade unfolds before us like a book filled with blank pages waiting to be filled with extraordinary discoveries and remarkable achievements. Each rocket launch, each new interplanetary mission, is an echo of our unwavering determination to explore the cosmic mysteries that surround us. In each distant star, I see a challenge waiting to be overcome, and an opportunity to expand the boundaries of human knowledge. We are about to witness revolutionary advances in space technology, science, and interplanetary exploration that are destined to shape the course of humanity for years to come. May our infinite curiosity and inexhaustible courage guide us toward the distant stars, where new cosmic horizons eagerly await our arrival. As I bid farewell to this incredible journey into the future of space exploration, I feel a surge of excitement and gratitude for having witnessed so many cosmic wonders. Each story, each glimpse of the unknown, has left an indelible mark on my exploring soul. When I close my eyes, I can relive each moment as if it were yesterday, the Martian landscape stretching out before me, the icy moons of Europa and Titan revealing their deepest secrets, the moon beckoning us with its captivating presence. Every detail, every discovery, echoes in my mind as a call to keep going, to always explore new horizons and unravel the mysteries of the universe. As I prepare to close this exciting chapter, I invite you to keep alive the flame of curiosity and courage that drives us toward the stellar reaches. May each step taken in space be a reminder of our infinite capacity to dream big and reach for the stars. I thank you for sharing this journey with me, and I hope to see you on many more intergalactic adventures. See you soon, my cosmic friends. If you enjoyed this journey through the future of space exploration, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more futuristic content. See you next time. Thank you for embarking on this exciting journey with me. May these stories of courage and discovery inspire each of you to pursue your own stellar dreams. A big cosmic hug, and see you in the next video.